DAD Automation, your automation partner.
Siemens S7-1200 CPU 1212C DC-DC RLY is a compact PLC used for small automation systems. It belongs to the Siemens S7-1200 PLC family. The CPU operates with 24V DC power supply. It has digital inputs and relay outputs for field devices. Supports Profinet/Ethernet communication. Can be programmed using TIA Portal software. Suitable for machines, conveyors, pumps, and small plants. Easy to install, program, and maintain. This CPU has power terminal, digital input, analog input as its input field. Connecting a power supply to power terminals is a basic but important task. First, make sure the power is turned off for safety. Then, identify the positive and negative terminals on both the power supply and the device. Connect the positive wire to the positive terminal and the negative wire to the negative terminal. Tighten the connections securely to avoid loose contacts. Finally, double-check everything before turning the power back on. Connecting a digital input is a straightforward process when done correctly. First, connect the power supply to the power terminals. Next, identify the connection type, whether it is sourcing or sinking. For a sinking connection, loop the negative terminal as required. Then, identify the correct input terminal on the device and connect it according to your design. Finally, check all connections to ensure proper operation. Connecting an analog input is simple when you follow the correct steps. First, connect the power supply. Next, identify the analog input type, whether it is a 2-wire or 3-wire configuration. Then, connect the negative loop to the analog common terminal. After that, connect the transducer output to the analog input terminal. Finally, verify all connections to ensure accurate signal reading. Connecting a load to a PLC output is an important step in any control system. First, identify the load you are going to install, such as a lamp, motor, or solenoid. Next, identify the output terminal type in the PLC, whether it is a relay or a transistor output. Then, connect the load to the power supply through the PLC output terminal according to the correct wiring method. Finally, check all connections to ensure safe and reliable operation.